time to get out, get all these parts out. This whole front end is going to be so different in like 3 hours. Anyway, we're going to head home and let's see the car in some slow-mo cinematic B-roll. Right everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now, as you can see, potentially, well, like, first in the background, you can see all my girlfriend's clothes because this is her wardrobe room. Anyway, I'm sure you lot probably don't really care about that. However, I'm starting this video in the spare room because today is a very important day. In fact, not today, tomorrow for me. We have a full body kit going on the M140i. I said to you, it wasn't going to stay stock for long. Erin is behind the camera, who's my girlfriend, if you didn't know. Cringing right now because she doesn't like my car obsession. She doesn't like the body kit, but she doesn't understand cars. I'm filming this intro because I'm getting up at 7 in the morning to leave at 7:30 to get to the place for 8 AM. So I'm doing this because I want to go through everything that I've got before the morning. So as you can tell, we have some Maxton. We've basically gone for a full Maxton kit apart from the spoiler. So I am so excited for this. Honestly, the car looks naked right now. Do you know what that means? Like, use your common sense.
I know what that means.
What does it mean by the car looks naked?
There's nothing on it.
Yes. Anyway, the car looks plain. As much as it looks really nice, it does look plain. I ordered all of this the day before I even picked up the car because I was so excited and I wanted to get it done ASAP Rocky and documenting it all for you guys. So I said there's a big journey coming and this is just the first step of it. So first we have Maxton front splitter. For some reason they're joint at the end, but not this end. But anyway, then we've got some Maxton design side skirts. Can't remember the exact ones I picked now, but the front split, I mean, can you see briefly what the design is? I think you can see what that is. And then in this bag over here, for me, this is probably the most important parcel. In fact, I'm gonna get this out. So in here, I'm not going to open this one because I've already opened it and resealed it, but this is the spoiler. So shout out to the guys over at Auto ID. I was going to get all of this. To be fair, I probably could have asked them to get all of this with Auto ID and get it fitted at Auto ID, but they didn't have it on the website at the time and I was just eager. So I've got an Essentials spoiler from Auto ID though, because Auto ID were like the only place that had this, and I've always wanted this type of spoiler so it sort of sits on the boot lid and comes outwards rather than like a Maxton lip going up the other way. I've lent it against the car already and it looks sick. Oh, we got the private plates in there, which are going back on the car by the way. So we've got black M140i badge. Mate, this whole car is getting transformed. I don't even care what you say. And then the black M badges. And then the last thing is all the way at the bottom of the bag. It's not the last thing, it's the second to last thing. And then we've got the black boot lid, if you like, cover that goes over the chrome BMW boot logo. And then the best piece of them all, the freaking Maxton design rear diffuser. Oh mate, it's gonna make the car look so sick, you have no idea. My A45 had a body kit, it had an aero kit, right? I tried telling her this, but because it was on the car, it didn't look like this because, well, this is a bit more, this is a bit more aggressive, obviously.
Yeah, it's vile.
It's not vile, it's gonna look sick. One thing I don't like is the F1 light, I'm not gonna lie. We'll not be getting that. This car is gonna be staying sleek. Body kit, absolutely fine. Makes the car look better, most cars come with them, but I'm just not a fan of the F1 lights on the back. We've also got some M Performance carbon fiber exhaust tips, which the guys at Sterling provided me with, so they're going on. I'm not gonna get them to do the black badges because that's just extra labor that I'm paying them for that I don't need them to do. Like, it's just basic stuff I can do myself. So it's really hot in here. We'll see you guys in the morning when we head to the garage to get these parts fitted. It's now the morning. I'm absolutely shattered, but it's nearly 7:30. We need to get on the road. Had a shower, done my teeth. Just need to get all the kit in the car. The M Performance carbon fiber exhaust tips are already in my car, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the car. Let's go. Right, we're in. We literally just had a little bit of traffic on the way, but all the parts are in. I had to literally push this seat all the way forward to get them in diagonal. Didn't really think that one through, but anyway, we're in the car. We're nearly there. We're about 10 minutes away, so. Right, we're literally outside. It's in one of these containers. There it is. Here we go. Let's just park out in front for now and then they can do whatever they need. Bosh! I am so excited to get all this in the car, it's a joke. It's time to get out, get all these parts out, and then I'm getting a taxi home because I've got stuff to do at home. We've got the builder coming around, so yeah. Hello, you right? One day we'll be on here. Exhaust tips. Ah, they're pretty sick. Right. So all the parts are in here, and then we'll come back in a few hours and see it all. Just think, in a couple of hours we're going to come back here, and this is going to look completely different. Again, nothing on there. It just needs lowering springs. I mean, there is quite a big gap, to be fair. I just still don't think this is as big as the A45 S. Like, the gap was massive. The biggest thing for me is obviously going to be this rear end. He's going. This whole front end is going to be so different in like 3 hours.
One eternity later.
We're on the way to go pick up the car.
We've got to go quick.
Are you excited?
Yes, but I haven't got a lot of time.
We're in a rush to go get the car because I can pay 30 quid to get a cab there, but I'd rather not. So I paid 32 quid to get back because Erin couldn't get me, but she's going to get her lashes done, so she's going to drop me to my car and then straight to her lashes.
Is this why you wanted a new car? Because you wanted a fixer-upper?
It's not a fixer-upper.
What then?
It's in perfect condition. It just...
You wanted what?
I'm just doing stuff to
mess
it.
around with?
She doesn't get it, does she, guys?
No, that's what I'm asking you.
Comment down below if you're excited to see the look. Obviously, I've seen loads of cars with body kits, like M140i's, but I feel like if you haven't and you've got one, you need to get a body kit. Obviously, we've gone for the full shebang, but it's gonna look sick. So yeah, we'll see you when we get to the garage. Right, we're literally walking back down the road. Been dropped off at the top of the hill because Erin needs to go straight off. Hello. Look at this. Oh yes. That looks nice. Oh, look at that. It's so much better, isn't it? Oh, them exhaust tips look sick. They don't get as lost, because I feel like the stock exhaust tips would have got lost in this diffuser.
Yeah, 100%.
That is so nice. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh my god, it looks so much better. Right, I've just pulled up out the side. These exhaust tips look absolutely unreal, like so good. The diffuser just makes the car look so much better. I mean, to be honest, this as well makes the car look so much better. Side skirts, unreal, and then the front splitter. This angle just needs springs, obviously spacers. Anyway, we're gonna head home and let's see the car in some slow-mo cinematic B-roll.
I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on it.
So yeah, car finished, guys. Really happy with the look. It transforms the car. I think the back end is my favourite. The back end is out of this world. Obviously the little spoiler and the rear diffuser and the carbon fibre M Performance exhaust tips, they look unreal. Front end looks a lot better. Side skirts top the side off. It's a complete body kit. It looks unreal. I'm really happy with the look. Now it looks like how the BM should look when it comes out of factory. Just needs plenty of other stuff. Springs and spacers will set it off perfectly, but all to come in future videos. I hope you enjoyed the look. Again, follow my Instagram and TikTok. They'll all be on the screen here for more behind the scenes photos, videos and stuff of all the car. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.